Are you looking to restore damaged hair? Here is a simple solution to bring your hair back to life. Watch till the end to find out how your hair will come out looking like after this treatment. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fanny. So in today's video we're going to learn about protein treatment and why your hair need protein treatment and when to apply this treatment. So these are the products you're going to need. You're going to need egg, avocado, banana and mustard, and also you're going to need ginger juice. So I've just extracted this ginger juice from ginger actually. So if you put ginger direct to this mixture, it's actually going to make your hair to flake. I did a video about how to grow your hair using fenugreek, and actually at the end of that video, if you haven't watched it yet, you can go and watch it after watching this video. You can actually see how the flakes were on my hair, because I actually forgot to extract ginger juice. So yes, and now I'm just going to make all these I'm going to mix them all together. So if you don't have egg, you can use mayonnaise. So I believe you're going to enjoy this video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to support your girl. And also I try to make everything as simple as possible. Maintaining our hair or maintaining this natural hair is actually hard already, so I'm trying to make everything simple for you as possible. So I'm just going to blend this mixture together. I'm just using the ginger juice. If you don't have ginger juice, you can actually use water, or if you have aloe vera juice, you can use that. So then I'm going to shave this out. So you can shave using stocking. It's actually simple with stocking, or you can just use these grocery bags. So I'm using a grocery bag. So the reason why you want to shave these out is just to avoid your hair having flakes at the end of the treatment. You don't want to walk out with the flakes with your hair being white all over. So as you can see, this is what you avoid putting in your hair, so they are all going to remain in your shaver. Then you want to go ahead and add mustard. So we're going to learn importance of each and every product we are using, because each and every product play a major role. Then you want to go ahead and add egg. So depending on the volume of your hair, you might need 1 egg, or you might need 2 eggs. So because my hair is too much, I use everything 2. So I use 2 avocados, and also I use 2 eggs. Then you want to go ahead and put this mixture in a bottle applicator. But if you don't have a bottle applicator, don't worry, just use it direct from the bowl. But I find it so hard using it direct from the bowl myself, so this is what is remaining. Then you want to go ahead and put your hair in section, as working in section makes the process even more easy and manageable for you. So what is protein treatment? So protein treatment are conditioning that replace lost hair protein by adding protein to hair strand, and also restoring strength while protecting against further damage. And also it add extra body and volume to hair, making it thicker, longer and healthier. It also prevent breakage, also prevents split ends, and makes the hair it strengthens the hair strand. So this is a very good treatment for your hair. So you just want to apply it on your hair. on the parted sections. So you want to try and just make sure it's all over your hair, just the way I am applying. And also you don't want to neglect your hairlines, which are very, very vulnerable. And then you want to go ahead and start by finger detangling your hair. So immediately I applied this, my hair became so soft. It's just because of the avocado and egg and banana I've used in this concoction. So you want to detangle your hair with this mixture, which is you will find it very, very easy to detangle your hair because it makes your hair soft immediately. So after making your hair soft, it's so easy to detangle. So you can actually see the curls popping already. So it's a very good conditioner. So you can go ahead and try this. I really love to hear from you. You can go ahead and try this on your hair and let me know in the comment section how you found it on your hair. It depends. Your hair might react differently with how my hair is reacting, but you can actually see the curls popping. And I believe at some point you've heard people talking about the goodness of avocado to your hair. So what are some of importance of avocado to your hair? So avocado is rich with amino acid, and also it's rich in high protein, magnesium and folic acid, and also copper and iron. They actually penetrate straight deep down in the cuticles, which actually helps to moisture the hair. So this is the reason why my hair is soft already. So I believe your hair might come out differently. So avocado leads to healthy scalp. So you know your hair, for your hair to grow well or for your hair to grow faster, you want to make sure you take care of your scalp. If your scalp is not taken care of, your hair will not actually be your hair is not going to be that healthy. So you want to take care of your scalp, making sure you keep dandruff at bay and everything else. Your hair will actually be much more easier to manage, and also it will promote hair growth. Eggs are rich in protein, vitamins and also fatty acid, which actually help hair with growth, and also it helps with dry hair. So if your hair is dry, you can always use egg to help you bring your hair back to life. So you want to go ahead and put this all over your hair and make sure you are detangling your hair, because it really helps when you're going to wash your hair, when your hair is detangled. So it won't take a lot of time for you detangling your hair while washing it. So I'm just going to put this all over my hair, then I'll actually show you how my hair is going to look like. So just look at the curls, they are popping already. So this is my hair. Actually you can see the curls are popping, and actually the curls likes it, or my hair actually likes it. We also used banana in this process, and banana actually helps to prevent and control dandruff, and also it moistured the scalp. So this is a very good mixture. So I just wanted to show you a close-up of how my hair is. I believe your hair might come out looking differently, but I would really love to hear from you. Just go ahead and comment. Go try these and comment and let me know. So then you want to go ahead and put your hair in section again with it, and this the next step is very, very important. So you want to tuck in your hair, or you can just go ahead and put a shower cape over your hair, just like that. So I find it quite easy for me to put a shower cape while my hair is in sections. so it won't go all everywhere, or it won't be everywhere. Then you want to go ahead and put a shower cape, or you can actually take any carrier bag, any plastic carrier bags, and cover your hair with. So I'm just putting on this shower cape, and I'm going to go ahead, because it's small, I'm going to go ahead and take my bean liner and put it on my hair. So this next step is very important, as you want to leave this on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes. So you want to go ahead and do other things. So I was actually taking my tea when the time elapsed, and now here we are. I just want to show you how my hair is looking. So you can actually see the moisture on top of this shower cape, and I can attest to that my scalp is looking even more and more healthier. So you can actually see, I just wanted to show you a close-up of how my scalp looks like. You can actually see. So if you have problems with dandruffs, or you have any other scalp issues, this is also a very good treatment for you. So the ginger extract, or the ginger juice we used, is actually helps to improve hair from the roots, and also helps with the scalp. Then you want to go ahead and wash this off, because my hair was not that dirty, so I just went ahead and used a conditioner, and I can tell you my hair is much better, and my hair feels so soft, and my hair is so actually very nice. I would really love to hear from you. Go and try this and let me know on the comment section below. And for this process to work for you, depending on how damaged your hair is, if your hair is very damaged, you can actually use this once a week, but if your hair is not that damaged, you can use it after every 4 to 6 weeks. So my hair is so super soft, and I was actually trying to show you my scalp, which is very clean. So I'm just trying to show you my scalp. I don't know if you can see it, but I really love the outcome. So my hair does shrink a lot actually. So if your hair shrinks, it's actually on its healthy state. And you can see the curls popping, and my hair is so nice, and I feel my hair is restored from the way it was before I started using this. So go ahead and try this, and let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and let me know if you like what type of video you like me to be actually posting. Thank you so much. Till next time, bye bye.